friends, it's Marcy and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is one that I personally have been highly anticipating, and it is going to be my very first perfume review. I am not a big perfume person just because I don't wear it every single day, and also depending like the strength of a smell, I can get a headache very bad. But as of recently, I have been getting more into it, and one person whose perfumes I am completely obsessed with is Ariana Grande, of course. Not sure if you can see behind me, but on my little tray thing here on my like dresser area, this is pretty much my entire perfume collection, and it's pretty much all Ariana Grande's perfumes. There's something about her mind when it comes to scents that I am just absolutely in love with. She just recently came out with her newest fragrance, which is God is a Woman. This was released exclusively at Ulta on August 1st. I went to Ulta literally before work the day it was released and was able to snag it up because Ariana Grande fans are crazy, and of course it was gonna sell out. And when I went, there really weren't that many left, and I did not go super late. So I bought the 1.7 ounce bottle. That is typically the largest size that I get in any of her fragrances. I have Cloud, REM, and Thank You Next in that size, and then Ari, Moonlight, and Sweet Like Candy I have the 1 ounce size, and I think those sizes are perfect for me. The bigger ones are not that much of a price difference, but I know how I am, and a 1.7 ounce is going to last me forever. The 1.7 ounce retails for $55, and then the 3.4 ounce is $65. So like I said, it is not a huge price difference. It's just a $10 difference for pretty much double the size. The packaging for this perfume is absolutely gorgeous. So there might be a glare because the plastic wrap is still on it, but it's just this floral, and then going around it has this stunning photo of Ariana. I believe she shared this on her Instagram as well as Twitter when she announced out of nowhere that this perfume was coming out. And then on the side here, it just has some information on it. So it is 91% naturally derived, clean ingredients, 100% vegan, and it is cruelty free. And then the reusable base is made out of 60% plant-based sustainable materials, and it's a recyclable carton. I love that the whole thing about this perfume compared to her other ones is that it is a clean beauty product and it is vegan. It is so hard to find cruelty-free and vegan perfume. The fact that someone of her status made a perfume like this is amazing. Let's finally open this up because it has been driving me crazy. And now the moments of truth. Ooh, oh, it's so small. It's speckled. Oh my. This is what it looks like out of the packaging. I knew that it came in this little like carton thing. What did they call it? Base for it. A lot of Ariana's recent fragrance releases have come with like a little base that the perfume bottle goes in, and then you can remove the perfume and use it like that. But it's kind of just like for decor purposes, it goes in this little base. I did not know that the actual packaging, like the base part, it's hard to see, but it is actually kind of like speckled. I thought mine was dirty when I took it out just now, but it's like that on both sides, so I'm assuming that's how it is. As of right now, the 1.7 ounce and the 3.4 ounce are the only sizes that they have available. I know for Sweet Like Candy, Ari, Moonlight, all of those, they do come in a 1 ounce as well, because as I mentioned, those are the sizes that I have. Before we break into this bad boy, let me tell you guys what it's actually supposed to smell like, and then I'll give you my thoughts. According to Ulta's website, the fragrance family is a fruity musk, and then the key notes are: top, it's amberette and juicy pear. I think pear smells absolutely divine in perfumes. The middle is orris, Turkish rose petals, and then the base is Madagascar vanilla and creamy cedarwood. So let's just smell it. It kind of reminds me of REM, but it does smell a little softer than REM, but it does smell very nice. So let's finally spray it. Here we go. I wish you could smell this through the camera with me so we could be doing this together. It would be so fun. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, I definitely smell the pears. I smell that fruitiness. I thought this was gonna be a lot more floral than fruity. Might have sprayed a little too much, but also might just be strong. But not in a like, too much type of strong. It's just, you smell it, you know? I really like this. I have seen a lot of reviews because I wanted to get everyone's opinion and kind of see how mine's differ or are similar to other people's opinions, and a lot of people are not really liking it. Let me know if you have it and if you like it. But a lot of people aren't the biggest fans, and I just had to get it because I have all of her other perfumes. I think it smells really good. It is like a more mature scent but fruity, so it's not like you're gonna smell like an old lady, but you're also not gonna smell like a 13-year-old girl who just got cotton candy body spray. I want to be in the middle of both of those things, and I feel like this is perfect for that. This might become my signature scent. Shout out to Ari for making a perfume that will show people that you can create vegan and cruelty-free things and them not smell like 100% flowers. When you first spray it, you smell that cedar wood and you smell that very like musk, but then it kind of like, it fades from the musk and it like blends into the fruity, and I really like that. I did not think that was a thing that could be done, but I love that it is a thing because now it's my thing. I feel like this one is the perfect combination and blend of what I really like about REM and what I like about Cloud, and I think that's why so far I am really loving this, because it has that softness but it has that sexiness. Hey friends, future Marcy here, checking in. So it is currently 11:55 and I thought I'd give you an update on my wear test with the perfume. So I did actually spray a little bit more on my wrist at around 7:15, almost 7:30, and then I headed out to go meet Osmond so we can go, you know, shopping, whatever. And we just got back home and it's almost midnight now, and it did last me, I want to say, from 7:30 to maybe about 10 o'clock. So it doesn't have the strongest wear, but it is still really good and I would highly recommend it. I personally like that about it because, as I mentioned before, I am very sensitive to smell. If it's too much for too long, it can give me a headache and make me sick. It's not like you spray it and then it's gone. The smell does remain and it kind of just gracefully fades away. And now to the outro of this beautiful video. Alrighty friends, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know perfume reviews can be very hit or miss in the sense that they're sometimes hard to understand because you aren't there with the person and you're not physically smelling the fragrance with them. So I hope this was descriptive as much as possible. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you own any of the Ariana Grande perfumes, which is your favorite? Have you smelt this one? Have you thought about getting it? Did this review influence you to want to try it out and go to Ulta and give it a little spritz? Because if you can, I definitely recommend doing so. As always, be sure to give this video a big ol' thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. And be sure to follow me on my TikTok and Instagram. I am just at amourmarcixo on both of those. And with that, of course, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the bell notification so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. I love you guys so much. I hope you have a wonderful day or night depending when you are watching this, and I will see ya real soon. Bye.